You know what, honestly, man, I love making these videos talking about why flatbedding is so awesome. I'm just focusing, these couple of days to knock out all the haters that hate on flatbed, man. You know what? You drive a reefer or dry van, excellent, man. That's good. As soon as you start coming knocking on a flatbedder, you best believe me and every other flatbedder is going to come and knock you back. For real. Okay, with that said, I respect you for what you do. You respect me for what I do. That's it, man. We stay healthy, we stay fit, we stay physically active. Look, man, now for the subscribers that aren't in trucking yet, do you really want to have somebody knock on your window constantly? It's time to go, man. You've only got like 3 hours of sleep when you've been driving for like 10 hours a day. And now, hey, man, you want to make that money and you're refrigerated, so you got to take off. And, man, screw that, man. Ever since I jumped in this flatbed, man, I'm telling you straight up, dude, doesn't happen. There's nobody knocking on my window like that. The only time they're knocking on my window is letting me know that it's time to get loaded. That's it. And then I got to be out there and strap it up. We wait maybe an hour, maybe an hour and a half. We strap it, we tarp it, we take off. No, we're not tarping and strapping in negative-degree weather. To be honest with you, man, the further that I go in this flatbed industry, the less I want to talk about it to keep people from coming to it and taking money from me. To be honest with you, that's the truth. And I'm thinking about it sometimes, man, just shutting this channel down, just going away. You know what I'm saying? But why? You know what I mean? I was in a stage in life where I was depressed, where I wanted to, do some stupid shit to myself. That was a long time ago, man. And I got my life back on track long before trucking. Well, I shouldn't say long, but months before trucking. You know what I mean? And if I can help anybody out there, anybody that had the same negative mindset that I did, right? That's all that matters. This channel ain't about money. This channel ain't about, I kind of want to say my pride, but I'm very prideful in what I do. Ask any flatbedder that has stuck it through. You want to say that tarping and strapping a load ain't fucking worth it? Screw you, dude. You don't know what you're talking about at all. You don't know what you're talking about. Once you work out the bugs, it takes like a month, dude. You have a system down, you get through it. Your strong mindset will get you through it. And you'll be able to deal with the same situation the next time like a boss. There's always something in flatbed that's gonna challenge you. It's not gonna be every single day, bro. Maybe a couple times a month, all right? And then you stay in touch with someone who has more experience than you, like I am as well, to get you through some tough times. Yeah, man, last night in 35 degree weather, I was tarping my load. Thank God there was no wind. It's not as bad as everybody says, man. That's the truth. All you flatbedders out there, man, hit that like button. Okay? And to those of you, man, bro, I just don't know how to make you guys see it, and I'm not here to make you see it. I'm here just to lead by example. That's it, man. That's it. Where we go from here, where you go from here, is up to you. I know where I'm going, okay? And every other truck driver out there, Unity, every other truck driver, reefer, dry van, flatbed, tanker, all you guys, man, we know where we're going. We know what we're doing, okay? But tell me about any other place in this industry as a company driver where you can drive 960 miles, and now that this company is paying us $100 a load, okay? 960 miles, $100 for tarping the load, so that's gonna make me $720 okay, instead of 695. 720. Hold on a second. Yeah, somewhere around 720. Gotta do the math, 51 cents a mile plus 16 cents a mile plus $100 for tarping the load. Okay, 960 miles. Okay, multiply 67 cents a mile. Okay, and then do an extra $100 for tarping that load and securing it. Okay, that's a short run. That's a short run. Imagine a 2,500 mile run. Okay, do that math. You can't make money like that as a company driver anywhere else. You can't. And that's the truth. Hey man, if you like this video, hit that like button. If you dislike it, hit the like button twice. Son. Anyways, you guys, for all you truck drivers out there, man, be safe. Okay, goal, right? Smith system. Stay alert, stay aware. Mr. By the Mile. You guys take care, stay safe. See you on the road.